Business can be really scary, and hiring employees, rightfully so, a lot of people are scared of making that decision to hire employees and bring people on. It's your business, you care about your reputation, you care about what your clients think of you, care about doing a good job. You should feel that way, and so hiring employees and bringing someone on can feel like you're relinquishing some of that control and some of that ability to kind of do your best. And I want to talk about that today and see if I can help you guys get over that fear a little bit. If you guys don't know my story, I go by the name of DJ The Boss. I started about 8 years ago while I was homeless. I was a homeless man. I had nowhere to live. I had 2 children to feed, deeply in debt and in a lot of trouble. So I decided to start this cleaning business, and I documented the entire journey here on YouTube. So if you can go back, watch my videos, watch my entire journey. But now I'm at a place where I've started a second business, Nine Media, which owns this channel, and all of it on the back of my commercial cleaning company. To this day, my cleaning company still pays for everything, which is why I don't sell you guys a whole lot of anything. So I do try to monetize the YouTube channel as a business, as a different way to experiment with business. I am a serial entrepreneur, but this channel I built to help people, get out of that place that I was in. If you're struggling financially, if you're getting into business and not sure how to think about some of those things, I wanted to talk about that on this channel. If you're in the service industry at all these principles are the same, and they apply and they work for all the different types of businesses. So it doesn't need to be a cleaning business. It can be, if you're a landscaper, if you're a barber, if you're window cleaner, pressure cleaner, any service business at all these same principles apply. I wanted to build value and build this community of like-minded people who just want to better their lives and start something for themselves, because that's what worked for me. Because I make my money in my cleaning business, that's why I don't have a whole lot to sell you guys. But I do ask you guys, don't skip the ads and watch the whole video. Actually, speaking of building value, I actually created a resource for you guys. It is my proposal template. It's the template that I use to present my proposals to my potential clients, and not just any clients, my large clients, $20,000, $50,000, $70,000 a month clients. This is the proposal template that I use to present my business and to present our statement of work and what we're going to be doing for them and the price to these large clients, so that so that it looks presentable. And I want to give that to you guys. It's available now. The link is in the description, and that's my gift to you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos. Like the video, please like the video. It helps build the community. The more people in the community that we have, the better off for us. The more ideas we can have, the more thoughts we can have, the better the channel does, and the more I can do for you guys here on the channel. Shout out to all the channel members. The channel members are the ones propping up the channel. You guys are awesome. You guys are rock stars. I love y'all to death. I appreciate you guys for being here. If you guys want to join the channel and be a part of supporting this beautiful community, click on my channel right next to the subscribe button. You'll see join, and click join, and it'll walk you through joining the channel, and you'll be able to be a part of the people that are actually propping up and supporting this channel and doing things that make it possible for us to plan giveaways and doing other special things for the community. And I'm going to be trying to do some special things for the community members very, very soon. So I appreciate y'all. Please bear with me, be patient, and I'll be taking care of you guys really soon. I really appreciate it. So thank you. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I started this channel with a goal of 100 subscribers, so it's nuts that we're here now. So thank you. Thank all of you guys. I love you. For all of you new guys, subscribe to the channel. One of the best things you can do for your business is to be on a continuous learning journey, and that means subscribing to channels like this, and any channel that is in your industry or that talks about business or is from someone that is in a place that you want to get. It's good to take all that information and have all that information come to you. We talk about building systems in our businesses. This is a system that you can build of funneling information to you and having it come to you when it can, just by subscribing to channels that are trying to help you. And this is one of them. Not like the other YouTubers, especially in the cleaning industry. I still operate my cleaning business. You see me and my people all the time, and you see me running around doing things in my business, and I don't think you get that from the coaches and the other people who try to sell you stuff. So subscribe to the channel, support this channel, like the video so that the algorithm picks it up and it shows it to other people. We're going to talk about what we're talking about. Hiring employees and getting over that fear of hiring employees.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss, babe. Go do your boss, babe.
So I'm not gonna tell you that once you hire employees, everything just gets so much better. Everything, you're not gonna ever have any problems. What's the worst that could happen? What's the worst that could happen?
I mean, the homegirl that would eat sandwiches is the gym bathroom.
Who eats sandwiches in a gym bathroom? What?
We hired their whole family, the girl.
Oh, Hispanic family?
Mm-hmm. The kid that freaked out on you.
I ain't even do him nothing. Oh, Oh, yeah. He was like gangbanging on me and shit.
Bringing their baby to the gym.
Imagine getting an email from a client that you have spent months developing a relationship with. You started off doing the cleaning yourself, so you know that they expect a good job. And then they send you security footage of your employees bringing their baby to work. I've had that happen. I can't tell you why or what will possess them to think that that was okay. But as you can see, they stroller and everything, baby, into the facility. It's extreme. It was extremely embarrassing, and I did not even know what to say. But the only thing you can say is, "Hey, I'm terribly sorry." You take full responsibility, and you move on to the next. It's always embarrassing. It doesn't get any less embarrassing when things happen.
The fight in the parking lot between the girl that, remember I hired that girl that I went to high school with?
And they fought in the park. I don't remember
With
that.
her like baby daddy, and they were like sleeping in their car, remember?
Where was I? What? I don't remember.
Don't hire people you know.
I
Moral
don't
of the
remember
story.
that at all. That's crazy. My favorite clients, I had an employee not mention spilling an entire bucket of mop water in a very chalky gymnastics facility. I get an email and they were like, "Hey, was there a spill?" And because our process and procedure, it requires people to report when spills happen, that if I don't see it in a report, I'm like, "Well, no one spilled anything." And then of course, the next email I get is security footage from my client inside of a facility, and my employee being goofy and of course spilling an entire mop bucket of water on a very chalky carpet. So and you're just like, my bad. I will do what I can to fix this as soon as possible, and that's all you can do.
Yeah, Planet Fitness in the parking lot.
And they had a fight.
They were like out there arguing for like 30 minutes, and then I was like, you should just leave.
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, so employees are crazy. Yeah, so a lot can happen. A lot of bad can happen with employees. It's gonna happen. There's no way around it. It's just going to happen. It's a part of business. It's a part of humans being human. There's no way to control every day of everyone else's life. And to get to the place that you want to get, which is making lots of money, you can't be bogged down doing the cleaning. So if the alternative is you doing the cleaning, it's not an option. You don't have time to. You have to have people. It's going to involve people. You have to do the work to improve your systems and improve your hiring systems to kind of weed out the types of people that you don't want in your business. Everyone's looking for a shortcut to get to just hiring the perfect person, and there's no shortcut to that. You have to learn, what attracts what type of people, what avenues to market for your, for hiring, to go through, what brings a certain type of people and what brings the people that you want to have in your company. It takes using your intuition when you meet people or when you do interviews to see if people are actually going to mesh well or fit with the company, or actually do a good job or care about what they're doing. These are things that are up to you. These are things that are up to you to change, and these are things that are up to you to learn. And you're never going to learn them if you don't jump into it and you don't make those mistakes and you don't have bad things happen. Bad things are going to happen. It doesn't kill you. You learn from it. As long as you keep moving forward, you're going to succeed. I've had, as you've heard, numerous terrible things happen. I've had employees flatten their own tires to get out and come into work. I've had, as you heard Maddie say, I've had employees attack me and try to, gang bang and tell me they're gonna kill me and all of this other stuff. I've had crazy things happen. We've had employees cause floods and cause damage in locations. They happen. It's going to happen at some point. Being in business for years and years and years, bad things are gonna happen. Your employees are gonna do stupid stuff. They're gonna fight, or they're gonna hook up, or they're gonna whatever. It's just a part of business. It's a part of life, and you can't let that deter you from building a business. You have to build your business, see what happens, and then make adjustments. There's no way around that. The alternative is you not growing your business. It's not an option. So don't be afraid to get in there, and don't be afraid to hire early. Hire You know, you don't have to have 40 hours of full-time work to bring someone on. You can bring someone on as soon as possible. As long as you don't need the money, you can, you know, hire out immediately if you know, and just, you know, take your profit from the beginning. But you can have someone work 10, 12, 15 hours and have a, you know, a part-time employee. You can have someone start there and then build up as you get, you know, as you bring on new people and as you bring on new clients. Don't fear it, guys. You know, expect bad things to happen. I can't tell you that, you know, I wish I had better news for you, but things are going to happen, and that's just part of being a CEO. It's part of being in business. I hope this brings you guys some value. I hope this gets you over the fear of hiring employees, because you have to do it, especially if you want to have a business. I'm not saying hire employees before you're ready. If you still need money and you're fixing wrongs in your life and righting wrongs in your life, then, you know, by all means, continue cleaning, pocket that money, build your savings up a little bit, but don't get caught up in that. Bring someone on as soon as you can so that you can quickly start to scale your business. And we'll talk about scaling in the next video. So you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.